This neck pillow is a must-have travel item on Amazon. I find it to be one of the best neck pillows that I've had because of the extra support. If you nod your head a lot while you're sleeping, this neck pillow is the perfect pick for you. You can use it towards the front, and you have the option to put it to your left side. You have the option to put it to your right side. You can adjust this pillow to your liking. It's extremely comfortable. It comes with a sleeping eye mask, and then it comes with earplugs.